Welcome to my channel. My name is Deja, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve these soft fox locks, or soft distressed, whatever you guys want to call them. And I think I definitely got the look that I was going for. This is actually the second time of me doing this, and I feel like it's actually pretty easy. It just takes a lot of time, and they are very long. These are 36 inches, so it goes past my butt. But for the most part, it's not that hard to do. I feel like anybody can do it. So before I get into this video, I actually just wanted to show you what hair I use, because I don't think in the video I really said what hair I use. So basically they're called Bobbi Boss Nu Locs in 18-inch, and I got the color 27 and 1. And then also you're gonna need passion twist hair, but it doesn't matter what brand you get. You can use passion hair. I've seen people use Cuban hair. I've seen people use spring twist. Whatever hair you decide you want to use, you can use it. But for my video, I use passion twist hair. In the description box, I'm about to just put how many packs of everything I used. I'm not really sure right now on the top of my head, but I'll put in everything in the description box and every product that I use and all that. But before we hop into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So first I'm going to show you guys how to make the extended lock. And what you do is you just grab 2 of your locks, and then the top part, the one with the loop, you're just going to open that a little bit. And then on your second lock, you're just going to open the bottom side of it. And you don't have to go all the way down when you split it in half. Just split it to enough where you can tie it around the loop, if that makes sense. And when you finally have that split in half, you're just going to make sure you tie it inside the loop, as you can see me doing here. And you want to make sure you tie it pretty tight. And I actually would usually just flip it over and then tie it again to make sure it's really secure. But in most other YouTube videos I watch, they only just tied it once. But it's honestly up to you. And then when you have that tied, you're basically just going to wrap those 2 extra pieces down and up the lock. And you're just going to use nail glue to secure it when you get to the end. And then just rub it with your hands. And then you guys will see it in this next part. Then I'm going to just show you guys what I did one more time, but just a little bit more fast paced. So here you guys go. Okay, so right here I'm showing you how I did my braids. I didn't want to show you how I did it all around the hair just because I was trying to make sure it really was like perfect, and I'm not really that good at parting yet. But this is basically what I did, and I just used like edge control, the Shine Jam, to make sure that it was like nice and laid down. So I was left with these last two braids, and basically I'm going to show you how to attach it to your hair. So basically you just want to grab your crochet needle and make sure that the hook is open, and you're just going to push it through that section that you're going to do, and you're just going to get the side of the Faux Locs, the one with the loop on it, and you're going to put that loop on the hook, close the hook, and then just pull it through. And then right here, when you pull it through, you're just gonna open that loop and you're gonna make a knot with the Faux Locs, as you can see I'm doing right here. So basically, you're just gonna take 2 strands of your passion twist hair and you're gonna fluff it out, because we're gonna be using this to wrap around the dread and your real hair to hide your real hair underneath. When you start wrapping, you want to make sure that you get really tight on the root part. So I would say wrap around like 2 or 3 times, and then when you start wrapping down, you want to make sure you wrap it closely, because if not, your real hair is going to start to peek through. get to the end, you're basically going to seal it with the nail glue again. So you're just going to put a little dot and make sure you wrap it around there good, and then just rub it with your hands, and that'll be it. This is the end of the video. I tried to explain as best as I could. Like I said, this is only my second time doing this. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell. And I'll see you guys in the next video.